Hi, this is Jeff with Relevant Homes, bringing you another video from the Armitage project. The previous videos we got to see the main floor and the top floor apartment. Today we are going to take a look at the in-law suite that is going to be located above the existing garage space at the back of the building. The in-law arrangement ends up being a small one-bedroom apartment that is located above the garage off of the back alley, and this apartment is allowed to be here because it's grandfathered in. That means it's existed before zoning code has allowed or disallowed this type of space. So we can take a look at this unit here above the garage. As stated, there will be an entry from the garage here, and then also off of the back alley, and stairs that will come up. And again, we'll be leaving some exposed brick to give it a loft-like feel. And as you can see, this space will have a small kitchen area, a bedroom, a full bathroom. We'll have stackable laundry located here in the bathroom space, a couple closets, a small one in the bedroom, dining space, and living space. We'll also be able to put a desk in the corner here that will get great south and east light. This space is going to end up being about 550 square feet, and we'll be able to use it flexibly for family or for AirBnB rental, and we think it'll be a really great addition to the home. You can see it's located above the existing garage and above the back covered part of the yard. That gives you the full tour of the entire Armitage project. We will be bringing more videos live from the project in the weeks to come. So keep looking out for them. Thank you.